Alright, so I've only rode this bike 2, maybe 3 times before. A very rare bike. It is a ECOSSE ICONOCLAST, and yep, down here you've got these compression release valves on the cylinders. Getting there. It's more like it. This is number one of 11 in the world. I don't think they actually got to 11. I think they got to 8 or 9. Fun fact, number 2 is owned by some guy named Brad Pitt, some sort of a Hollywood actor. You know. Woo! This thing is gonna be cool. This is a very rare experience. Few men in the world will ever know what it's like to ride an ECOSSE. Few women will know what it's like to ride on the back of an ECOSSE. But, alright, let's... Oh. Okay, Nissan. Typical. Anyhow. Hard to see the speedometer, but that's it. This is 52, 53. I mean, we're not working hard or nothing, but let's start. Everything works really well. It's fun to ride. One could even say flat out enjoyable. And it's just a super unique, rare, visceral experience. Is it a sport bike? Heck no. Is it a Harley? Heck no. It's in the middle. Without a doubt. Also, after that stop and go, it's getting warm. Yes, we have an MWR Racing air filter on this bike. The wheels are BSD carbon fiber, the brakes are ISR, suspension is Öhlins. Motor is insane. Such a rare treat to take an ECOSSE out, period. Even rarer to get it out on the strip and the highway in one day on one ride.